Hi everybody, this is Konstantin from Vidalico Digital. I'm here today with Claudio Camacho, the CMO of Brella. And Claudio, the question that I have for you today is, what is your number one tip when you would say to a company who would like to introduce events in their marketing strategy?
Yeah, that's a good question, because nowadays with digital marketing, it's really hard to justify the cost. But what I would say is that event marketing is really important. It can be a really strategic asset especially if you're in B2B markets where it's difficult to find the buyers. But if I have to give one tip that I have learned over my career, going to a lot of events, that would be that make sure, we're in 2019, soon to be 2020, make sure that the events you invest in are going to have a platform or some kind of tool where you can find the relevant people in advance before you go to the event or before you send your salespeople to the events. Why? Events are really expensive. You need to have a booth, you need to be a sponsor, you need to pay this and that, you need to fly people in, fly people out, you need to pay the hotels. So the only thing that can justify the return investment in 2019 and going forward is that the events would provide you with a platform, a matchmaking platform, something like that, where you can actually find the relevant buyers in advance and contact them, reach out before the event. So you know you're gonna have a full schedule of meetings. Don't trust event organizers telling you that, yeah, we'll make sure the buyers stop by your booth. That doesn't work anymore in the current year. So make sure you have that one tool available, then you can invest in that event.
Thank you so much, Claudio.
Thank you.
Thanks everybody, bye.